Introducing pack of beauty blenders. Comes with beautiful jar shaped packing. The packing is very simple and stylish. The beauty blenders are in different size, color, shape for different use. There are two normal size blenders, two large size blenders, and three small size blenders for applying makeup. It's a 6 different size makeup blender kit. Helps you to apply makeup for enhance your charm. So what are you waiting for? The link is in the description. Don't forget to buy.